Kardana work fabrics are all in fashion and trend, and that is why we've got the perfect set of net fabrics with beautiful sequins and Kardana that you will love. Now this net fabric would be the perfect designer fabric because you can create beautiful designer outfits with this net fabric. As you take a look at it, it's got this really nice Kardana effect done across it in a nice silver color, and if you take a look at the details, it's got this floral work along with which there is this nice work of fabric that has been put inside of it, giving it a nice applique effect too. And you can take a look at the sequin work that's been done. So all of these detailings in this fabric makes it look even more special with like small beadwork detailing and gemstones too. So this would be the perfect outfit to create a nice gown for yourself, for kids wear too. If you want to create a nice gown, long dress, this kind of net fabric would look really perfect, and the shade too is quite feminine, giving it a really subtle and minimal look. Now this one that you see is in a really nice shade of midnight blue. It's a really dark and royal blue color which would look perfect to create a Sangeet wear outfit. You can create a nice couple outfit with it too. Again, this too is a net fabric, perfect to create a designer look, and the design that you see across it is quite beautiful and elegant. It's got nice Kardana work done in a nice abstract work. It's got also sequin work done in a very abstract work, and the design too looks really perfect and unique. Creating a nice bodycon dress with this, a gown or even a nice lehenga would look perfect for a Sangeet or reception party. And the perfect part about it is that the customization can be done here in our Fabric by Singhania store. So if you want to know more about our details, you can comment below or you can visit us at Banjara Hills Road number 1. A really beautiful shade of purple color. This is a little bit brighter, less on the muter side, very vibrant. This also would be the perfect net fabric to create a nice dress for kids wear or for yourself. You can create a beautiful gown for a cocktail party as well. And it's got this really nice stripe-like, curve-like pattern done across this net fabric with beautiful sequin and Kardana work. The sequin too is matching to the shade of the color of the net fabric, making it look very elegant and different from the other net fabrics. This would be a really nice designer wear outfit for you if you customize this into beautiful western outfits. You can also create a gorgeous lehenga with this and it would look just amazing. Now this is a really nice muted lilac shade of net fabric. This is quite similar to the midnight blue that we've shown. It's in a beautiful shade of purple. Now this color also would look perfect to recreate a nice bodycon dress or a gown or even a long frock for your kids or for yourself, and this would look really different and amazing. Even if you want to create a nice couple's outfit, the midnight blue and this lilac shade would be the perfect pairing. We've got beautiful sequin work done on this and nice Kardana work. The Kardana work is very nicely done in a beautiful silver shade, and the sequin work is in a little different color of purple shade, giving it a beautiful tone to the effect, and it's also giving a nice pop-out look to the net fabric. So creating nice designer wear outfits with this would be ideal. Now this one is in a beautiful shade of pastel pink color. Like we've seen the lilac and the midnight blue, this too is one of the color shades in that net fabric. Again, this one has a nice designer look to it because you can create beautiful long dresses with this, a bodycon dress with this, even a kids wear frock if you have it in mind. And it would look perfect for any wedding occasions, for Sangeet events or for receptions too. The perfect part about it is the sequin work, bead work and pearl work all together done across this fabric. You can take a look at the sequin work. It's a nice silver sequin, and the bead work has been done in a beautiful shade of light pink color, making it look very perfect and different from the other fabrics and can be customized into every outfit that you have in mind. If you guys want to know more about our customizations, you can comment below or you can visit us at Banjara Hills Road number 1. Now this one is in a nice light shade of olive green color. This gives a really neutral effect, yet it looks really grand because of the stripe pattern that you see that's been done of Kardana work, large and light sequin work, all of which gives a really nice sequin effect, and it gives a beautiful touch to this fabric. It's also a gorgeous net fabric and would be perfect to customize any kind of outfits, be it a dress, a long gown, even a short frock. This fabric would look very different and unique on you. For any designer wear pieces as well, you can create beautiful outfits with this fabric and it would look really different and amazing. For a nice and grand look, this fabric would look perfect. This too is a nice net fabric in a gorgeous shade of pink color. It's a nice light pink shade of net fabric, and it's got all over sequin and Kardana work done across this fabric. The Kardana work is quite similar to the shade of the net fabric and would look perfect to recreate into a long gown, dress, or even if you want to create a nice jacket. Something different and unique can be created with these kind of net fabrics, and it would really make you stand out in any parties, events or evening wear outfits that you want to create for a grand occasion. This pink color, pastel color would look really different and unique. unique, and you can create nice long dresses or short frocks for your kids as well. Now this color that you see is quite similar to the one that you've seen earlier, but it's a dark and muted shade of pink color. This would look different and unique if you're creating something which is a little bit more elegant and dark in shade, but you want to go with the pastel color. Again, these also have the same kind of work. It's a light sequin work which has been done across this fabric with heavy kardana work, and if you take intricately a closer look to the fabric, it's got nice beads also that has been stitched across this fabric, all of which will be amazing to create any designer wear outfits. You can create beautiful anarkalis with this if you want to go for something very different. You can create nice dresses with this, and of course you can create a lot of western wear designer outfits, and you can wear all of these outfits in any kind of cocktail parties, receptions, sangeets, and it would really make you stand out. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit like and comment for any more details. Subscribe to our channel, and if you want to know more about our customizations, you can visit us at Banjara Hills Road number 1.